Welcome to my simple pocket option strategy chart setup. After you log in, choose the assets you want to trade. As you see, pocket option provides a lot of different assets to trade. Here, you can choose the chart time frame and chart type. I suggest choosing the candlestick charts and a 1 to 5 minute time frame. Use higher time frames in the beginning. Click here to open the indicator menu. Add 2 moving averages. Add a stochastic oscillator. And add a RSI to the chart. Click here to edit the first moving average. Change the period to 20. Save. Edit the second moving average. Change the period to 50. And choose EMA from the drop-down menu. Click on Styles to change the color. Choose the color you like. I use red for this example. Make sure to save the changes. Now open the stochastic settings by clicking on the same icon beside the indicator name. Set the first period to 5. Now it's time to change the RSI settings. Change the period to 7. Hit Save. Trade rules for an uptrend. 1. Price touches one of the two MAs. 2. Stochastic and RSI are below 50 or 30 for less but better trades. 3. Stochastic is crossing the signal line upwards. Important, trade 5 times the expiration time. Let's take a look at a few examples. In the case you are in a downward trend, just follow the rules in the next slide. Here you see how the price touches the red line just to change its direction and went back in trend direction. Trade rules for a downtrend. Price touches one of the two MAs. Stochastic and RSI are above 50 or 70 for less but better trades. Stochastic is coursing the signal line downwards. Trade 5 times the expiration time. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it useful and easy to understand.